Hello everybody and welcome to another episode of Tech Motoring. On today's episode we're going to be discussing the upcoming road trip that I'm going to be taking with this car right behind me all the way to Kentucky. And on top of that we're going to be discussing the future of this channel. Now that we've hit 1 full year of Tech Motoring, what does the future have in store for it? So stay tuned, we're going to be right back. Alright everybody, welcome back. Well, like I was saying, we are taking a road trip to Kentucky, Bowling Green to be more specific. And actually by the time you watch this, I'm going to be already there because I'm going to be releasing this on Friday and I'm going to be there as of Thursday evening. So I'm going to be in Bowling Green, Kentucky for Camaro Fest X. And I know this is not a Camaro, but Bowling Green has a lot of history for Corvettes because the Corvette Museum is there in Bowling Green, Kentucky. And I have never been to, number one, Kentucky, but number two, I've never been to the Corvette Museum before, and I would love, absolutely love to go see all the historic things there, especially since some of the cars on show are actually some of the cars that were engulfed by that void that opened up underneath the Corvette Museum quite a few years ago. So I'm really interested to see the history of those cars and see everything that the museum has to offer. But that's not it. Camaro Fest has some fantastic events lined up, and I am looking forward to covering those events and bringing them to you as soon as I get back. And also, we're going to be doing some road trip videos there and back. And we're going to see how this Corvette handles it. You know, this is now a 14-year-old Corvette. It only has about 69,000 miles or so on it, so it's not like it has a lot of mileage. But I've never taken it on a road trip more than, 30 miles or so. So this is going to be a completely different experience driving, hundreds of miles away. And it is going to be almost like an 8-hour drive for me to get from here in South Carolina all the way up to Bowling Green, Kentucky. And so I'm really excited to kind of share that with you in a video and see all the really cool sights since I've never been to that part of the country before. So we're going to be shooting some videos on the way there. We're going to be shooting videos while we're there for the 3 days that we will be there. And then of course we'll be shooting some video footage on the way back. So I'm really excited to get the opportunity to finally do this, especially now that COVID has started to ease a little bit and we can now travel a little bit easier. So I'm looking forward to this. I hope you are too. So stay to the channel. Now, while I am there, I'm going to be covering some of this event on my social media accounts. So if you don't already follow me on Twitter at TechMotoring, Facebook.com/TechMotoring, or we actually do some stuff on Instagram occasionally, follow us there, also Tech Motoring on Instagram, and hopefully I'll get some really cool shots and you'll be able to see them. And when I get back, I'll mix all that stuff together and put it into a really cool video for everybody to watch on the channel. Now, as far as the channel itself goes, once again, we are 1 full year into this channel now, and I'm as excited as ever. We are now well over 80 subscribers to the channel, which is cool. I was not expecting that, to be honest with you, especially since most of those have come just in the past like 3 months of this channel. And we are still expanding, we're still doing bigger and better stuff, and I'm one person for the most part to do this channel. I do want to thank my family, especially my brother, who helps me out with a lot of these videos. My wife does help me out on occasion with photography when I need an extra hand. This is a team effort in so many ways, but also you are a big part of this, because if I didn't have the increase of subscribers, if I didn't have the feedback from all of you, this wouldn't keep going like it is. And the only reason I am continuously going and trying to expand the channel and try to make it better is because of you and because you follow this channel. You give the feedback, and I hope you enjoy these videos. And so thank you very much for that. 1 full year, and this is because of you. So now that we are 1 year into this channel, I'll ask you again, what do you want to see? And do you want to see more of these road trips? Do you want to see more of, car shows themselves? Do you want to see more of just the pit stop videos that we're doing. And also check out our website, techmotoring.com. I try to do some work on the website, and the more I keep doing to it, I'm hoping I'm bringing more content to you guys out there. I know it's not much right now, but the more interest I have on the website, the more I will continue to do that. So if you have some suggestions for the website, absolutely let me know. Right now, that is pretty much just a gateway to get to YouTube and all the other social medias at the moment. But we are doing some things on there, like the photo gallery that I opened, just to kind of get people to show their passion for their cars and upload a picture of theirs and a little snippet about it. And if you're interested in doing that, go on the website. There's instructions right there. Right on the main site, you'll see photo gallery, and then right when you click on that, there'll be instructions at the top of how to email me your pictures, and I'll be able to post them up on the site. And this just a way to expand this channel. Tech Motoring is not just a couple videos on YouTube. We're hoping to bring this into a much larger future for it. But anyway, that's about all I have for this video. Once again, thank you so much for a great first year for this channel. I hope you are getting something out of this, and if you are, show that support. Once again, share this channel to friends and family. Always hit that like button on the videos to show that you're supporting those videos. If you aren't a subscriber, just hit that little subscribe button just below to show your support for the channel, and I can't thank you enough for just doing that. But as we move on through this next year, we're only going to get bigger and better, and this is going to be something that's going to be really cool very soon. And don't forget, right after this video, go to techmotoring.com, scroll down a little bit till you see all the social media accounts there, and follow me on Twitter, follow me on Facebook and Instagram, and right there you'll be able to see all the stuff that I'm uploading to our social media accounts during the day while we're at Camaro Fest in Kentucky this weekend. You'll be able to get a jump start on seeing some of the content that I'm going to be bringing to you. So I guess I will close this out like I always do. I'd like to thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to check us out on our website, techmotoring.com, on Twitter at techmotoring, facebook.com/techmotoring, and Instagram. I'd like to thank you again for watching, and remember, welcome to the future, and welcome to Tech Motoring, and we will see you on the next episode.